FL's mechanic mode here, a quick video how to replace the fan on the Radiator 2009 Toyota Highlander. So we start with the top cover on the bumper, also top radiator cover, same thing. Remove all the clips and it's easier to remove. Just take it off. Next we have to take these three 10mm bolts out. This is the intake box tunnel that pushes the air inside of your engine. You definitely have to take everything what is in the way to remove the radiator fan. After you're removing both tunnels, you have to remove also the battery. It's on the way because you have to take the second air tunnel bolt. It's right under the battery holder platform. There's a 10mm bolt right there. You have to take that off too, in order to take that tunnel out. Next would be the main coolant hose on top in the middle of the radiator. Push that clip down and remove the hose, pull it out, and then we have to remove this coolant level tank. The whole reservoir has two 10mm bolts. Remove them. After we got the tank out, we'll remove the AC line hose bracket, the holder right there, and also we'll remove the hood stick holder. That one definitely has to come out too. It's hanging on top right on the fan. And next step would be the connector and the wire harness. You definitely want to make sure you take it right out. So there's two main connectors. I'll leave the whole wire harness assembly on the car. I'll take every clip out of it, and it goes from left side. It goes from the passenger side connectors, goes all the way to the left side, and just put it somewhere there safe. Don't damage it. Yeah. After removing everything, finally we got to the fan. So here's the three bolts that you have to remove for the final step. They are on 10mm. There are three of them, two on the side, one in the middle. Once we get them out, we'll be able to push the fan out of the mount easy without damaging the radiator or any hose or a wire harness again. And it's just gotta give more time. And here we go, we got the fan out, and this fan is mostly like the original OEM one, so it's very bad.
Alright guys, so we got the brand new fan for our Toyota. Let's go unpack it and we're gonna start installing on it. Alright guys, the new fan is ready to go. We got the computer for a cooling fan ready. We connected. Now we're gonna drop it inside, and we're gonna basically put it a little bit on the right side and then slide it back and put it in those little attachments with this bracket right here. They just like fork in, and then we're gonna put three bolts on top, 10mm, and get all our stuff and put everything back together and give it a try. So let's go ahead and put everything and start the car, see how it goes. Alright guys, so we started the car. We filled up with the coolant because we had a leak because the fan wasn't working. Now, as you see guys, the fan is working. Looks perfect to me. They're both working. Pretty nice. not too loud, works properly. We checked all the fuses, we checked the computer, everything is fine, right voltage. We got the AC working, and we got also the heat working. It's still getting hot, but that was it. That's how you guys replace the radiator engine fan. Alright guys, so our Highlander is ready. We got our fan removed and replaced with a brand new, I would say aftermarket. Is not original fan, but we got everything installed right. I did warm it up. We got all the air out. We checked, we definitely checked and tested the fan and the temperature and AC, and everything is all awesome. So that was it. Another car is ready to go. If you guys have any questions, text below. If you're first time here, then don't forget to subscribe, because I always post new and cool videos how to fix your own car home. Nothing special. If you like this video, then leave a thumbs up, and see you next time.